In the news today, the University of Lagos officially commences its whole week in high spirit. This highly anticipated event has been marked by a variety of engaging activities enjoyed by the students across all halls of the institution. One notable highlight of the week so far was the Jaja Hall party held under the theme King of Boys. The whole week is an excellent way for students to unwind after a period of hard work and studying. Institute of Maritime Studies Unilag launches its Maiden annual lecture with the theme From Crude to Blue, Nigeria's Blue Economy, the Imperative of Maritime Domain Awareness and Good Governance. Speaking at the event, Vice-Chancellor Professor Folashade Ogunshola stated that this lecture is imperative at a time like this where captains of industries, professionals can leverage on facilities in educating students and staff, and students can benefit from their wealth of knowledge. Further stating that in line with the theme, focus should shift from crude oil to the sea. Northeastern University offers over 200 programs in the College of Science and Technology. As a part of its Africa Initiative program, African students can apply for master's and PhD scholarships. It was stated during an interactive session at Julius Berger Hall, University of Lagos, that the scholarship covers up to 50% of tuition for the duration of the program, provided the scholar maintains good academic standing. Also stating that applicants who apply to an F1 visa-eligible program with on-ground classes at any of the northeastern U.S. campuses with a BSc minimum of 3.5 GP will be considered for the scholarship. And finally, the Federal University of Agriculture at Abeokuta have installed Professor Olushola Kehinde as the 7th substantive Vice-Chancellor of the institution. Speaking shortly after his investiture, he says he has set his sights on positioning FUNAB among the top 5 universities in Nigeria and the top 100 in Africa over the next 5 years. And that's it on the bulletin. Many thanks for watching. My name is Vina Peters. Good day.